Hello and welcome to our learning video, how to communicate better in the classroom and how to fully understand your participants. We will be looking at a simple yet highly effective model and how to use it in a teaching context. This model will really help you to understand your participants better on different levels. The model is called the Square of Communication and was developed by the German communication expert, Professor Friedemann Schulz von Thun. So let's have a look at the model and how it works. According to the model, everything we say, each message we send, has four sides to it. This is known as the four sides of a message. The first side is the blue side of the message, called the factual content. The factual content includes all the statements, all the information and all the facts communicated in the message. The second side is called appeal, which means in every message you send, you include your intention. This means you want the other person to do something. The appeal, also known as the demand side of the message, includes your request or call to action. The relationship side is the third side of a message. It informs about what the speaker thinks of the person he or she is talking to. The third side of a message, the green side, is called the self-disclosure. What does this mean? The self-disclosure side includes everything the speaker tells us consciously or subconsciously about his values, motives, his emotions, and also how he or she sees the world. The four sides I just explained are contained in each and every message, either explicitly or hidden, whether I want them or not. They are all part of my message. So what does this mean in a teaching context? Let's look at teaching with the Square of Communication. This time we will look at the sides in a different order. Again, we will start with the blue side first. It is the responsibility and task of a professional teacher to deliver the factual content in an understandable way. This means well-structured and easy to follow. Now the green side, the self-disclosure. As a teacher, we need to communicate in an authentic and reliable way as a role model. Good communication on this side means that you show your real self as a teacher and that you're interested in your students. Behaving and communicating professionally on the green side supports the yellow side, which is the relationship side. For teachers, good communication on the relationship side means accepting, respecting and appreciating the students. The fourth side of professional classroom communication is the appeal or demand side. If a teacher communicates well on this side, the students experience clear and easy to follow instructions and therefore know what they have to do. Teaching professionally with the Square of Communication means a teacher needs to be aware of each side of the Square of Communication so his message will reach the participant in a positive way. By doing so, the participants are more motivated to use the knowledge we trained back home at their workplace. This was the explanation of the Square of Communication. My name is Michael Wurster. If you want to find out more, please have a look on my webpage, which is coaching-pilot.com. Thank you very much for watching and bye-bye.